Welcome to Money Made Simple. Today we're covering 5 money mistakes beginners make in their 20s. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. Did you know that 60% of young adults feel financially stressed? Your 20s are a critical time to build strong money habits, or you could end up regretting lost opportunities later. Imagine hitting 30 or 40 and wishing you had made smarter money choices. Today, we're uncovering 5 common money mistakes beginners make and how you can avoid them. Starting right now. Many people have no idea how much they actually spend each month. Without tracking, it's easy for small expenses to add up to big numbers. For example, if you spend just $15 a day on a coffee and a quick lunch during your work week, that's $75 a week, or around $300 a month, gone before you even realize it. This isn't about restriction, it's about understanding your money. What you can do today. Download a free budgeting app like Mint or YNAB. Or simply use a spreadsheet. Start by tracking every single dollar you spend for just 1 week. This awareness is your first powerful step to taking control. Credit card debt can feel like a small problem, but with high interest rates, it can quickly snowball. If you only make minimum payments, you're primarily paying interest, not the actual debt. For instance, a $2,000 credit card balance with a 20% interest rate could cost you hundreds, even thousands, in interest over time if not paid down quickly. What you can do today. Identify your highest interest debt, usually credit cards. Make an extra payment, even if it's just $25 to $50. If you have a significant balance, call your credit card company and ask about a lower interest rate or a payment plan. Every little bit helps to chip away at that costly interest. Life happens. Your car could break down. You might have an unexpected medical bill, or even lose your job. Without an emergency fund, you'll likely turn to credit cards, digging yourself deeper into debt. Even having just $500 to $1,000 saved can be the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major financial crisis. What you can do today. Open a separate, dedicated savings account. Many banks offer them for free. Set up an automatic transfer for as little as $20 to $50 from your checking account every payday. Start small. But start now. It's your financial safety blanket. It's natural to want to enjoy life as your income grows. But watch out for lifestyle inflation. This is when your spending increases right along with your income, leaving you feeling just as financially stretched as before. For example, if you get a $300 raise, resist the urge to immediately upgrade your apartment or increase your dining out budget by the full $300. What you can do today. The next time you get a raise, bonus, or even a gift, decide before it hits your account how much you'll save or invest. Aim to put away at least 50% of any new income towards your financial goals. You won't miss money you never got used to spending. Many beginners think investing is just for rich people or complicated. But the biggest mistake in your 20s is not starting to invest early. Time and compound interest are your most powerful allies. Here's a powerful example. If you invest $100 a month starting at age 25, by age 65, you could have over $250,000, assuming an 8% annual return. If you wait until 35 to start investing the same $100 a month, that number drops to around $100,000 for the same total amount invested for fewer years. What you can do today. Research opening a Roth IRA with a low-cost brokerage like Fidelity or Vanguard. You can start with just $50 a month. You don't need a lot to begin letting your money grow. Remember these 5 key points to set yourself up for financial success. Track your spending. Aggressively tackle high-interest debt. Build an emergency fund. Resist lifestyle inflation. And start investing early. These aren't just tips. They're powerful habits that will lead to a lifetime of financial peace and freedom. You have the power to change your financial future. Starting right now. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always consult a qualified financial advisor. That's everything for today's video on 5 money mistakes beginners make in their 20s. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. New finance tips every week on Money Made Simple.